Hello everyone, I'm welcoming you all once again to this channel. So in today's session of Fortran program, we will see how to use our conditional statement like if else to find the largest of any three numbers. So here let's go and we will try to pick the largest number out of any three numbers. So let's go. So here is the code. So the program is starting with largest of three numbers, and here the integer type variable that we have taken as x, y and z, and here we want to enter these numbers from the keyboard by the user. Then next is if like we will use the conditional statement. So here if x greater than y, then if it will also check if x greater than g, then print that the largest number is x, else print that the largest number is z. And if and next is else if y greater than z, then print that largest number is y, else print the largest number is z. So and then end if. So here what we have done, so inside one if condition we have another if and else statement. That means this is the nested if else statement. So one if inside another, that means loop inside a loop. So this way we can come to the conclusion that which number is the largest of among any three numbers, and then we try to close our program. And so yeah, this much for today's. And you can also try to execute this program and see which number is your largest number and which is your smaller, and this way you can do. So this much for today, and thank you all.